Hey everyone, so the printer is finally ready. I know everyone was asking about the STLs, if they are available to download or not, but the printer was not ready that time. Now the printer is ready. Now I'm gonna take you along with me and show you the different parts of the printer. Let's first have a look at the Y-axis. I'm still using the old bed from Ender 3, but underneath here, as you can see, I'm using two linear rods. They sit quite wide, so that way this is pretty stiff, doesn't really move. Usually Ender 3's bed just like not that stiff, so because it's stiff, so we can do pretty good accelerations on it. Next, the gantry. Last time the gantry was not that stiff, but this time I managed to get the gantry pretty stiff. It's nice and stiff. Because it's nice and stiff, we can do pretty good acceleration on the x-axis as well. Now moving on to the tool head. Before I was using stealth burner on it and I had so many different parts to put it together, but I simplified the design. Now it just used the bracket holds the hot end itself, and then I just have a shroud in the front to hold the cooling fan, and then the extruder sits on the top. Next, let's move on to the fun bit and show you the printer in action. As you can see, I have the acceleration set to 20,000. For outer wall it's 10,000, inner wall 20,000, pretty much 20,000 acceleration for all the bits, which allow us to print the benchy under 12 minutes. And it's not that pretty benchy, but the thing is that it's a proof of concept that this printer can move on that much speed and melt that much plastic. The only thing is I need more fans. I will have to add some auxiliary fans, so I'm working on that right now, and we'll have those auxiliary fan, two of them, both sides, and I think that will improve our benchy. If you're like me and have a Ender 3 sitting around collecting dust, I'd like to tell you that you can convert that machine to a blazing fast modern 3D printer. For those of you who are asking for the STLs will be available pretty soon on Printable. I'm working on it, putting everything together. Soon I have the link. I will share it with everyone. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments, leave them below and subscribe for the future videos.